What's up, family? Listen, man, another week is in the books. I want to do a really quick recap, but more about the psychology of what I want you guys to begin to make sure that you have part of your journey. Okay, listen, guys, check this out. I told you and I shared with you guys on last week, Friday, when I got cooked, that I had lost $200. Overall, the week was pretty decent, but I won 1,600, lost 1,800, and it was a net $200. So this week my goal was to make $200, okay, on today, on a Friday. Now I made more than that throughout the week, but the point is about being consistent in your journey, not revenge trading on your journey, staying disciplined on your journey, and following your trading plan. And so check this out, guys. This was a play on SPY. Okay, that was the same play I think I lost on last week. And so Friday, I had it set in my mind that, you know what, I'm going to come into the day with a game plan. I'm going to stick to the script. I'm going to hit my target and be content. Okay, because let me tell you something, guys, and let me know if you guys can relate to this. On your journey, at times there will be time periods that you feel like throwing in the towel. There will be time periods that you feel like quitting. If you have ever been there on your journey, let me know down in the comments below. And I bring that up because, guys, it's a journey, it's a marathon. It took me around 1.5 to 2 years to master my craft. And so for anybody that's been doing this for 2 months, this year, started last year, if you don't have 2+ years in the game, 5 years, 10 years in the game, give yourself some grace, man. Do not expect that you are going to be a master of options and trading the way you might see other people doing their thing online and things like that. Guys, listen, it takes time in the seat. It takes a lot of losses, sometimes some expensive losses, which are oftentimes lessons on your journey. Okay, and so I wanted to put that on you guys, man, because just know I've been there too. I've been there. However, I've had to persevere through that to make sure that, you know what, I'm learning from my lessons. They are teaching me how to be better at my craft. Yep, I have investing down pat. I've built a whole entire empire through investing. Okay, but once you're done investing, there's nothing else to do once you have your foundation established. And so for me, it was about making sure, okay, let me learn a new skill. And then we talk about in the Bible, you have a duty to teach. Once you learn something, don't take it to the grave with you. Do what you can to pour into others, teach others how to fish, and hopefully they too learn the skill, and then they too can change their life. And so that's what we've been doing, guys. So today, I just wanted to wrap it up with letting you guys know it came full circle. I lost 200 last week. I had to double that to make back, to get myself back to whole, okay? And so we have $400 on this particular play, or 28%, 440 to be exact. But listen, guys, take it one day at a time, one play at a time. I often share these things and these nuggets and wisdom pieces with you for a reason, because they'll hit a lot different when you guys, again, get to a certain level, and you'll remember, like, man, why was Coach always pounding home? See profit, take profit. Don't overstay your welcome. Get in and get out. Don't get greedy. Like, you will see those things hit a lot different on your journey, guys, as you go along. Okay, with that being said, man, I wanted to also take a look at Tesla really quickly. Let me pull this up. Tesla closed the day at up $2. It was up 1%, 1.27% on the day. Job well done for Tesla, guys. This was a make or break day. Not that something still can't happen on Monday, but in next week. But guys, we didn't hold that 160 level, which we defended very well today. Major salute. Okay, we held and defended that 160 level, coming as low as 161, bouncing off that level to 164, got rejected, came down to 162. But after we hit 162, guys, we bounced from there, and then we took it as high as The high of day was around 165, 166 on today. Listen, guys, again, I call these things out in the Discord each and every day. I'm hoping that that's adding value to your life. I'm hoping that that's helpful in terms of just having a roadmap on how to navigate. But Tesla was huge in terms of holding its position today, because if it would have dropped below 160, guys, it was going to be a smooth ride a lot lower. And I'm talking about like 145, 143-ish, okay? So again, there's a little glimmer of hope. Again, I want to see us capture 167, 170 would be more like it. That opens the door for us to move a lot higher, but we take it one day at a time, one play at a time, okay? Also, guys, I want to take a look at the SPY, and the SPY did a bunch of nothing today. It's sitting at 412 at the time of this. It was flat on today. Spent a lot of time in that 411 range, and then a couple times on today it bounced off the 410 range, which we talked about in Discord this morning. I told you guys to look out for 410.90 twice on today. It came to and through that level to go a lot lower, around 410, on the lower end of that before bouncing up, okay? And so again, that was the range, the really 410, just say 410-ish to 412, okay? We close up here with a end of day rally like they've been doing the last few days. I don't really count that. We were really in around the 411 range most of today, okay? Going really basically nowhere, all right? With that being said, guys, on your journey, it's important that you understand the range that a stock wants to trade in. Today, it was a $2 range from 412 on the SPY down to 410, and it just kept going back and forth between that range. You have to be okay. You have to be disciplined enough to know that sometimes, unless you get a breakthrough, it's not going to that next level, okay? That's why you react to if we get through resistance. You react to if we get through support, okay? But till then, until a definitive move is made, guys, your best bet is just to play it level to level. And the levels would just be 410. At 410, you buy a call, you take it to 412. At 412, you buy a put, you ride it back down to 411 towards that 410 range. That's the move. Now, mind you, in real time, it doesn't just go like that. There's a lot of jucking and jiving, moving and grooving that takes place that you have to be mindful of. That's where the high level chess comes into play at, okay? So just be mindful of that for me, guys. But I wanted to put that on you and make sure that you had a wrap up of end of week wrap up, I should say, with Tesla and the SPY. Guys, let's get ready to get back into it. I'll be back over the course of this weekend. Well, let me see. I do have a funeral to attend. I got a jam-packed weekend, so I will see about dropping some videos, some teaching videos over the course of the weekend, bringing out the charts and just kind of illustrating for you guys where some opportunities were, but more importantly, what to look out for Monday and next week per se. Okay, so again, be on the lookout for that, but also know, like I said, we had a death in the family, and so we do got a funeral to go to. And you guys know, if you guys have lost anybody, you know how that is. You know how it is when you get with family and things like that. So if you do me a favor and put a prayer up for your boy, put a prayer up for my family, put a prayer up for some of my loved ones that will be dealing with this and taking this pretty hard, okay? With that being said, man, as I often say, life is but a vapor. So do me a favor, make sure you love on your people. Make sure you call up some people if you haven't called them in a while, just to let them know you're thinking about them, okay? We here for a short time, not a long time. It's about the legacy you leave by. Every time I have to deal with a death, guy, these are some of the things that I'm reminded of, okay? And so don't never get too caught up in trying to make money and trying to trade options and trying to invest in the stock market that you forget to live life, or that you forget to love on your people, okay? It's bigger than stocks, is deeper than stocks, as I often say, okay? So with that being said, man, I just wanted to put that on you guys. Another great week is in the books. A great week full of learning as well as earning, okay? Take the good with the bad. Take the lessons to the bank, okay? We'll get ready to do it all again next week. If you're along for the ride, please make sure you join the Discord. Link for that is in the description below. Listen, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. So do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.